We'll guide you through how to take a scrolling screenshot on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I've just gone and done a random screenshot, and now I want to go and take a scrolling screenshot of this entire page. So to go and do that, all you need to do is take a screenshot as you usually would. So press the power button and the increase volume button together, like that, and then it will go and take a screenshot. Then you need to go and click on it in the bottom left to expand it. And then all you need to do is go and click on full page like that. And then as you can see, you can then scroll down on the right here and go and see the entire page like that. And if you want to go and crop it, you can by clicking on the crop button in the top left. And you can then go and have less of the page, maybe just that amount. And then if you're happy with it, press done. And then to go and save it, all you need to do is go to the top left and press done again. And you can either save it to your photos or as a PDF to your files. So you can save it as a photo or a PDF basically. I want it as a photo though, so I'll press on save to photos and it's now saved. And here it is at the bottom here, and this is what it looks like. Because it is scrolling, it's quite long, but you can always go and zoom in on it like that. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.